sources. So today we are Hello Step on Scholars. Today we are going to discuss one more important topic related to family finance. I presume that you have sensitized your family members regarding the finance and wealth creation, wealth management, and so on. Financial management, when we talk about financial management, it is income management and wealth management. Income management means you and family members are working and you are getting some income and you are distributing that income to different headings. One is spending, investment, repayment of loan, or taxation, insurance, and so on. So management of income. Next part is wealth management. That means you already have the portfolio of gold, equity, and debt product. Okay, we don't consider real estate in discussion here. It is the gold product which you can sell easily. Jewelry is not a part of wealth. Okay, it is an expense. So gold coin, gold bees, that is exchange traded mutual fund, sovereign gold bond, shares, mutual fund, deposits, all things related to the financial assets. So that is wealth management part. Why you should learn about financial management? Okay, because you have the short-term needs as well as long-term needs. These are financial needs and some mid-term needs. So if you are if you plan in future, then you can will not have any financial crisis if there is something sudden comes up. Okay, so management as a definition, overall management is planning and planning, organization, control, direction, and so on. That is business management, but planning part is always there for the any management. So in financial management, planning for future needs and the resources. So today we are going to understand two things. One is creating statements, other is creating cash outflows Google spreadsheet. So this is your task. You create first statement. It is called as net worth statement. Okay, in which you are going to list all the assets, okay, which you can sell. Okay, what is the definition of asset here? Which you can sell and rent. This is an asset. So you will write all market value of all those assets, okay, which may have real estate as well, gold, equity, debt, and so on, everything. So what is an asset? Asset is anything which you can sell and get money, or you can rent. That is asset. Is car your asset? Answer is no, because it is for personal use. Is gold jewelry your asset? No, it is for personal use. Is your house an asset? No, it is for personal use. So include only the asset which you can sell or rent. Write down the market value of all asset you have, which includes FD, mutual fund, shares, bond, gold, coin, everything. Then liability means loan, bank loan, personal loan, whatever it is. Okay, suppose someone has, let's imagine Mr. Amit, he has mutual fund of 40 lakhs. Okay, FD 10 lakhs, gold coin 10 lakhs, and maybe cash at home 1 lakh. Okay, include cash. So it all becomes or if suppose he has additional house which he can sell, let's say 2 crore value. Okay, and then you can take the sum, that is make addition of all these are all market values. Okay, so this is asset 2.6 crore. And if he has a loan on home, let's say 180,000 80 lakhs is the loan, you can subtract this total asset minus whatever the loan. So this is your his net worth. Total asset minus liability is equal to net worth. And this asset should be only sellable asset. Okay, don't include personal. So find out your net worth today. It's very easy, 5 minutes task, but you will understand where do you stand today. Okay, there are many people who have lot of assets, they called as asset, but they are personal asset. Okay, 5 crore house, it is not actually asset. It is a pseudo asset. We call this as a pseudo asset. Means although it is mentioned in the bank balance sheet, it is not true asset because you cannot sell it. Someone has 40 lakhs car, but it is not true asset. It is pseudo asset. So consider only true asset to understand net worth. So this is one task to you. This is for your own analysis. Where do you stand? कितना value है आपका आज? You can create a family net worth. It means include assets of all family members staying together. Okay, family net worth. Second, you are going to create income expenses or saving statement. It means all income. So you can create saving certificate, saving statement of last year as well, 2024-25, just to start in the baseline. So income, expenses, saving, because before investing, saving comes. If you don't have saving, there is no investment. So saving is equal to most of the time is investing. Okay. So find out your saving statement of last year so that you can plan future and you can increase the saving by tracking the expenses. Okay. Now here is the Google spreadsheet. You can create a Google spreadsheet, share in the family group, and ask all family members to enter the data of all outgoing money, which is above 1,000 rupees. Why 1,000 rupees? Because if you keep entering 20 rupees, 50 rupees, it will be a little, we say, unnecessary data, and you will get frustrated by counting every single rupee. Okay. Now, most of our scholars are doctors, they have enough income. So that's why 1,000 rupees. Some other person can select 100 rupees as well. It is not a rule that it should have 1,000 rupees. But don't enter into 10 rupees, 20 rupees, chai piya dala, that will become complicated. So more than 1,000 rupees value or at least 100 rupees value, then you enter. Okay. How do you create spreadsheet? So you create a columns. This is a serial number, date, amount, which bank account you paid, or if it is cash, purpose, and person who make up who made the payment. Suppose you can see this is a serial number. Okay? 26th September, 12,500. You paid from alpha account. This alpha, sigma, beta, you can give any name to your bank account to communicate with each other. For example, I talk about my bank account names are Bandra, Andheri, Dadar, Vikroli. These are the names because the branches are located there. Okay, based on that, you can give that as well. So you can find the statement in an entry in the bank as well, the purpose and the person who paid. So this will be the common spreadsheet for all family member. Everyone will put into it, and the purpose will be very important. Let's say this is a travel, printer, EMI, insurance. Now here paid in the cash for purpose grocery. Now in a bank account, we recommend that you club loan and investment in one account. Okay, that can be done. Other account you can have the spending, taxation, in insurance, etc. Okay, so at least you have, we recommend three bank accounts, because one for investment, it will be only for the investment, second for only spending, and remaining account for other activity. But if you are not comfortable with three account, at least create two accounts in which you split loan and investment in one account, because this you can plan. You know how much EMI you have to pay in next 1 year and how much investment you want to plan. So this can be perfectly planned. So all your low EMIs and investment can go from only one account. Don't use that account for other purpose. Other purpose is spending, tax, insurance. Okay, if you understand, these are the current outgoing, current expenses, and loan and investment is future. So you can club past and future in one account, bank account. This is just for the convenience. Okay, and present for present spending, tax, insurance, or current year expenses. You can create minimum two account or at the most three account. Okay, we recommend three account. Keep investment and spending, let's say investment and spending. Okay, and then rest. Okay, I hope this is clear. So after tracking down this all expenses for 6 months, you will be able to do the analysis where which expenses I can reduce, where my money is going, and how you can save more. Okay, and you will then create a financial planning. We for income distribution we say that invest minimum 25%, spend, then loan. If you don't have loan, then you are lucky, you can invest more. And rest can we have in tax, insurance, luxury. Okay, and so this spending is necessary. Okay, needs. This is for future needs. This is past payment. So if you plan what are the needs, so you differentiate needs between needs and luxury. We call them as products of prestige and products of need. Okay, what is that? So whenever we spend, we buy products of need. Products of needs are food, all things which are required for living. Okay, food, clothes, house expenses, then education, health expenses, transport. You cannot avoid this. Okay, these are the necessary expenses. We call them as a products of needs, means products and services of the needs. PONS, products of needs. Then we call this as another products of prestige. Products of prestige. So these products of prestige are bought for to show off to other people, to enhance the social status. For example, high-end car, high-end mobile, high-end equipment, and many things which you want to high-end high-end watches. Let's say if someone buy a watch of 2 lakhs, okay, it is a products of prestige. It is not product of need, because product of need, even 5,000 or 2,000 watch will be able to show the time. Okay, so differentiate products of prestige and products of need. So your products of need should be around 25% of your income, and you separate from that. After investing, something remains, then you can start into. Okay, remember this: invest, spend, loan, and rest. So minimum 25% of post-tax income has to go. Sure, it can be more than that as well, but minimum. Okay, then is. And if you are taking loan, your loan EMI should never be more than 25% of your income. So these are just a simplified. There can be different variation, personal variation. Just for the simplicity, your income should be divided into these things. Post-tax income, more than 25%. Okay, should be invested at least 25%. Okay, if you are not doing it, then you should start doing it. And where to invest? You should invest into gold, equity, and debt product. Here real estate is not considered. Real estate will go into either loan or rest. So this is purely gold, equity, debt. Okay, so do this exercise sincerely. You already paid the fees, so get most out of it. If you neglect whatever I am giving instruction, you will anyway lose whatever opportunity is provided to you. And I strongly recommend that you ask your family members and friends as well to join step one, so that you can study together. And most important part will be motivation of each other. That will be very much useful. Last date is on Sunday, 28th of September. So then we will start our step one course from the 1st of October. Before that, whatever I am posting is just a pre-course videos. Okay, just to get warm up and start understanding where do you stand as of now. Okay, thank you.